we move to straight line, a shortest distance from a point to a line. Okay, so the shortest distance or perpendicular distance from a point HK to a straight line AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0 is given by D. D is stand for shortest distance, okay, equal to modulus of AH plus BK plus C, okay, over square root of A square plus B square. Alright, so let's see the example for your better understanding. So given the points A, 1, 3, B, 3, 7, and C, negative 1, 4 are three vertices of a triangle. Okay, so find the equations of AB. Okay, how to find the equations of AB? Right, so let's find you have a points A and B. So to find the equations of AB, so you have to find the gradient of AB first. So gradient ingat macam mana? Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. So okay, Y2 is 7 minus Y1 3 over X2 3 minus okay X1 which is a 1, so equal to 4 over 2, which is the gradient is 2. Okay, so the equations of AB, so we take gradient form sebab kita ada satu line, satu point and a gradient, right? So kita boleh pakai, awak boleh ambil mana-mana, okay? Boleh guna point A ataupun point B, okay? Sebab dia straight line, okay? Straight line maksudnya point A dan B lie on the straight line lah. Okay, so you boleh guna point A, you boleh guna point B. So saya nak guna point yang smallest value lah. So saya pakai point A. So Y minus 3, okay, equal to 2 times X minus 1. So Y is equal to 2X minus 2 plus 3, so Y is equal to 2X plus 1, and then we rearrange into standard form, which is 2X minus Y plus 1 is equal to 0. That is the equations of AB. Okay, so that is A. Alright, so how about B? Okay, how about B? Find the shortest distance from point C to line AB. Okay, we already know the line AB. So from the line AB, okay, we have a 2X. Okay, line AB, which is a 2X minus Y. Okay, plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, from here we can compare that. Okay, we have AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. So we can compare here. So what is A? A is 2. What is B? B is a negative 1. What is C? C is 1. So therefore A is equal to 2. B is equal to negative 1. And C is equal to 1. So, how about point HK? Okay, point HK we obtain from C. Okay, C, which is a negative 1, 4. So negative 1 is H, 4 is, okay, so we use the formula, which is the shortest distance ataupun kita panggil perpendicular distance, which is G, equal to, formula Modulus of A apa? Modulus of AH plus BK plus C over square root of A square plus B square. So equal to, okay, modulus A is 2, H is -1 plus -1, K is 4, and then plus C plus 1, okay, over square root of A is 2 square plus B -1 square. So equal to, okay, equal to modulus -5 over 5 over square root 5, sorry. Okay, so it is actually kalau you buka modulus ni, modulus always positive, 5 over square root 5. So bear in your mind, kita, okay, takkan tinggal jawapan kita avoid denominator in square root. So kita darab dengan square root 5. Dengan square root 5 sebab apa? Square root 5 over square root 5 mana? Sebab apa square root 5? Sebab square root 5 darab dengan square root 5 dia akan jadi square root 5 square. So square tu akan hilang. Okay? So you akan dapat 5 darab dengan square root 5. Okay? So saya kata square root darab dengan square root. So akan jadi 5 saja. So hilang. Okay? So the answer dia, okay, saya sambung sini. Therefore, okay, D is equal to square root 5, okay, unit. Distance kan mesti ada unit. So that is the answer. Okay. Alright. So we move to another example. The coordinates are given as 2, 7, -4, 3, and 8, -2 respectively. So A show that AB is perpendicular to AC. Okay. So macam mana nak tunjuk? Okay. Kita kena cari dulu AB is a line. What is a gradient of AB? Okay, this one is A, B, C lah. Of course lah dia akan ikut turutan. So MAB is a 3 minus 7 over -4 minus 2. So we got -4 over -6. So it is a 2 over 3. So how about MAC? MAC is a -2. Okay, -2 minus 7 over 8 minus 2. So it is a -9 over 6, which is a -3 over 2. So since MAB times MAC is equal to 2 over 3 times -3 over 2. So you can cancel out. So what we have now is equal to -1. So sure lah. Sebab apa? Gradient AB times gradient AC is equal to -1. So that A, B, and AC are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so we move to another question, which is B. Find the perpendicular distance from the point A to line BC. Perpendicular distance ni maksudnya shortest distance lah. Okay, shortest distance, which is D. Okay, so what is your A? A is a 2, 7. So 2, 7 ni akan jadi, okay, this one is H. 7 will be your K. So what is a line AB? You kena cari dulu what is a line AB. Okay, macam mana nak cari AB? You kena cari what is the gradient of BC. So gradient of BC is -2 minus 3 over, okay, 8 minus -4, so plus 4. So you got -5 over 12. Okay, so line AB is Y minus, okay, sama ada yang ambil point A, B atau C. So saya nak ambil point B lah. Y minus 3 equal to -5 over 12 x minus -4, so plus 4. Okay, so macam mana nak buat? Dia akan jadi 12y minus 36 equal to -5x minus 20. So jadikan dia dalam standard form. So 5x plus 12y. Okay, so minus 16 equal to 0. So this is a standard form. So from a standard form, we can conclude that, okay, this one is A, here is B, and here is C. So the shortest distance or perpendicular distance is equal to, okay, A's modulus of A, 5, H, H is a 2, plus B is a 12, K is a 7, plus C, -16, over, okay, square root of A, square root of A square, okay, A square. So sorry, A adalah 5. Okay, A adalah 5. So 5 square tambah dengan square. So equal to, okay, 78 over 13. So it is actually equal to 6 unit. Okay, so that is the answer for B. Okay, alright, so we move to another example. Find the possible values of K given that the point 4K is the same perpendicular distance from 9x plus 8y plus 1 is equal to 0. As to find from y is equal to 12x plus 2. Okay, macam mana nak buat? You have to understand. Okay, perpendicular distance from point 4K to line 9x plus 8y plus 1 is 0. Same as find perpendicular distance from 5 to line y equal to 12x plus 2. Okay, so macam mana nak buat? Okay, you ambil dulu line 1, which is 9x plus 8y plus 1 equal to 0. So what is A? A is 9, B is 8, and C is 1. So, okay, we have a point. Let's say point A, 4, okay. So 4 here is H, and then K is here, okay. So, macam mana nak buat? Is the shortest distance equal to modulus of A, which is 9 times H, 4 plus 8, K is K, okay, plus 1 over, okay, A is 9 square plus B 8 square. Don't forget to put the modulus. Here you got 37 plus 8K. Okay, so don't forget the modulus sign over square root of 145. Okay, we are not done yet. So what's next? Next is you have to find the shortest distance for the next. Okay, lines. Okay, line 2, you have y is equal to 12x plus 2. This one you have to rearrange in standard form. So become 12x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. So therefore, 12 is A, negative 1 is B, and 2 is C. So you have a point B, which is 2, 5. So 2 is H, and 5 is K. So the shortest distance, okay, D is equal to, okay, 12 times 2 plus negative 1 times 5 plus 2, don't forget the modulus, over square root of, okay, 12 square plus negative 1, okay, B, negative 1 square equal to, okay, modulus 21 over, okay, square root of 145. Okay, so compare the answer. Okay, so you got, since okay, the same perpendicular distance, so this one is D1, D2. So since D1 is equal to D2, so we have modulus 37 plus 8K over square root of 145 equal to modulus 21 over square root 145. Okay, so ingat modulus bila buka dia ada dua value You have 37 plus 8K over square root 145 equal to 21 over square root 145. So you boleh compare 37 plus 8k is equal to 21. So 8k is equal to negative 16. Okay, 21 minus 37 negative 16. K is equal to negative 2. Okay, so the second one, okay, the second one, okay, the second one is satu positif, satu negatif lah. Okay, 37 plus 8k over square root 145 equal to negative 21 over square root 145. Okay, so sama juga 37 plus 8k is equal to negative 21. So 8k is equal to negative 58. So k is equal to negative 29 over 4. So that are the possible values of k, which is a k equal to negative 2 and k is equal to negative 29 over 4. Okay, so let's see. Okay, the next example. Find the distance between the two parallel lines. Okay, this is the parallel lines. Okay, 15x minus 8y plus 68 is equal to 0 and 15x minus 8y minus 51 is equal to 0. So how to answer this kind of question? Okay, so what is find the distance? So L1 is 15x minus 8y plus 16x is equal to 0. Okay, so kita ambil when x is equal to 0. So what is y? Ganti masuk dalam sini, kita akan dapat, okay, negative 8y is equal to negative 68. So what is y? Y is 17 over 2. Okay, so the next line, L2, which is 15x minus 8y minus 51 is equal to 0. Okay, kita ambil x is equal to 0 sebab kita nak dapatkan point lah. Okay, kita nak dapatkan point. Awak boleh buat x is equal to 0 dekat line number 2. Boleh mana-mana. Okay, sebab dia akan melalui kosong lah. Okay, window. Okay, kau boleh buat x equal to 0 here. Okay, boleh. Mesti got the same answer. Okay, so this one is A, here will be B, and the rest will be your C. Okay, so the perpendicular perpendicular distance D is equal to A, modulus of A 15 times x. This one is h and this one will be k lah. Okay, plus negative 8 times k 17 over 2 plus c negative 51. Okay, sorry, media modulus lah. Okay. and then over, okay, square root of a square root of a square, 15 square plus b squared negative 8 square. Okay, so equal to 119 over 17, which is equal to 7 units. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, so hopefully you understand. Okay, so if you have any problem, please do not hesitate to see your lecturer. Okay.